my God, price start dropping. Price start dropping. Ooh. Come on, come on, come on. Give me a little bit. Give me a little bit. Yeah, come on. From when I started vlogging every day, I got a partnership. From when I started vlogging every day, I made my first check on YouTube. From when I started vlogging every day, I got my first funded futures account. So we have 11 winning days that we're going to be doing 2 to 4 calls every single weekend. Every time you set expectations in trading and they're not hit, that's when you are letting the emotions come in. I think I made like $900 something for the week, like 930 something. Another day, another morning, another opportunity, another chance to be great, another chance to actually accomplish our goals. If you woke up today, be grateful. I don't care if you woke up with $0 in your bank account, you woke up, your car didn't turn on. You woke up with the opportunity to be able to change your life. Remember that. It doesn't matter where you are. It's always about having the option to change your life, having the control of your life. You have control. So if you're not living the life you want to live, it's your fault. Can't blame nobody besides yourself. But with that being said, how's everybody doing? Good morning. Welcome back to another video. And right now, I'm about to get started with the VIP Trader Network. I just started it probably 5 minutes, just so I can let everybody get in. So by the time I walk on over there, I can just get on the charts and everything. 9:30 is the time we get on the charts. That's the time that I personally trade. And we trade until maybe 11 o'clock, 10:30. We trade until the trade is finished and until the value is given. That's the goal every single day. So we're going to see what we can do. Feels good today. I'm feeling productive. Yesterday, we didn't trade because it was CPI. We showed up, but we didn't take any trades. And so far for the week, on the funded account, we have 100% win rate so far for the week with the funded account. So we're gonna see if we can continue that win streak, see if we can make some money today, especially on the new broker. I got $3,000 loaded up into Hanko trade. So we're gonna see, I'm gonna be risking the same thing that I risk on the funded, $200-300 a trade, see what we can make. And if I get a trade on the Hanko trade, I'm withdrawing today. All right, so it looks like we got about 17 people all came in, and this is the account that I was talking about, the new Hanko Trade account. This isn't the one that I have on Top Step, but I gotta log into that one. So I'll just see you guys when I help with the whole team and everything. We'll see though. I'm about to look at 30. So far I'm overall bullish, like I said, but I definitely think there's still room for NAS to at least fall another 25, 30 points. And US 30 looks like it's already having this kind of push higher after running the Asia low. So it's a similar setup. We'll see though, we'll see. 30-point stop loss on it when we can tap that low. That's the 4-hour low, by the way, too. The 4-hour and 3-hour low. That's where my entry is gonna be at. These markets are being a little slow though. I mean, still in the same spots. Neither of the trade ideas have played out yet. Just gotta be patient. Okay, bad close, but didn't come right to it. Mad close. I'm about to be taking shorts on 30 at the previous high down. I'm gonna take that because overall, I'm looking at the dollar. The dollar's overall bullish, so I'm just gonna go with that. And if this is L, I'm cool with taking my risk. Like I said, risk management is everything. As long as you know how much you're risking and why you're getting to the trade, that's all that matters. But I'm getting in at the previous day's high, anticipating prices either gonna come all the way, have a full drop to the area I was looking for, or I'm just gonna 1 to 2. Yeah, right now this shit pushing. If it don't hold the 50% of the stop loss, I'm just gonna cut it early. No cap, because I need it to at least close bearish. And right now that hour is not looking good. This 15 minutes looking like it's trying to close bullish too. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, so I took like that one trade that you guys seen, but bro, I ain't gonna lie, today kind of sucked. It really didn't do much. Like honestly, the direction just continued bullish. It didn't really give me anywhere to go long. Both areas I was looking for longs never got hit, and then the one area I took the short didn't play out. The volume started to kick in. It is what it is. I couldn't make sense of it today. The probabilities weren't there for the trade ideas I wanted. Then they actually didn't hit, so I couldn't get them. And in reality, that short I took might have been a little bit of FOMO, but it made sense at the time because that's the only thing that made sense for the risk to reward. But you're going to win some, you're going to lose some. I do see this other trade idea. Probably not going to take it just because everything's mad wacky right now. But if I do, I'll let you guys know. I will more than likely take it on the Hanko trade account, if anything. So we'll see. I'm still trying to test how to use it and everything. Still getting used to practicing. I'm not using much risk. Like right now, you can see for the trade that I was in, I lost only 40 bucks. So I'm not really risking a whole lot. I'm just really trying to get used to it before I really put that max risk on, if that makes sense. Bro, when it gets that close to an area, it pisses me off so much. It really does. Really test your patience. And there we go. It went into it and price is not really rejecting. So I'm kind of giving it a second. Damn, that shit's dropping. Yeah, glad I gave it a second. Oh my Lord, what's everything else doing? Dropping with it, that's tough. Didn't expect it to start dropping off. Definitely didn't. Well, I'm glad I didn't take nothing. Mainly just gonna watch it while I go to the gym. I've already been on the charts for about 2 hours, so I'm not gonna sit here, but I will keep it managed. I will keep it updated. We took the trade with VIP. We take a loss. Losses are gonna happen. Losses are part of the game. It's about being able to know how to handle losses, being able to know how to handle yourself when they happen. Because at the end of the day, I could sit here and take another 4 or 5 trades, or I could sit here and watch this trade and get in my emotions, or I can go on with my day, let it do what it's gonna do, because whatever is gonna happen is gonna happen. One thing I always tell myself when I'm in a trade and I start getting anxious, I start getting like a lack of confidence for the trade, I tell myself these exact words: whatever is gonna happen is gonna happen. And then I go about my day. Oh my God, price start dropping. Price start dropping. Ooh, ooh, we up. I ain't gonna lie, I'm closing it at 200. I told y'all I'm closing it once we get to 200. Let it get to 200 and I'm out of there. Hanko trade, I need to close you because I ain't gonna lie, that move look a little crazy. Come on, come on, come on. Give me a little bit, give me a little bit. Yeah, come on. Give me that 200. Give me that 200. First day on the account, I need that 200, young boy. Yeah, that shit moving, and I know it's gonna move crazy. Just get me what I need to get and I'm out of there. You know what, I'm closing right there. Don't care. I'll take it. I'll take the 100 for the day. Don't care. I'll take it. After commission everything, we up 3,091. I'm not gonna hit a withdrawal on that, but I'll take it just because I was still trying to figure out how to use this whole app, bro. It was so odd, but we caught advantage of that, I ain't gonna lie. Took advantage of that shit crazy. Now, after sitting in front of these charts, waiting for it to do what it needs to do, it is approximately, it's just at 12 o'clock. Good timing, good timing for us to get up out of here. Fuck these charts, fuck these markets. We out. We taking our money, we leaving. For the day on the funded, after taking 1 loss and 1 W, we ended the day at 247. And I just showed you guys Hanko trade. We ended the day at about $91. So together we're at about $300, 300 plus VIP sales, about $330. This is what it's about, man. All right, right now we about to be on my way to my girl while she on break. And we ended the day in profits. We ended the day with a win. Even though it wasn't a big win on the accounts, on the funded account, I'm up 247 for the day, so we're up $240 on there. On the live account, we're up 90, so that's about $330. And then I'm up $35 or $30 for the day with VIP sales. I think I had one person join this morning. I was talking to them, I was able to get them joined. I'm working on another person, getting them to join the team now, so that $30 might turn into 80, might turn to 100, might turn into 200. The day is not over. Like I said, it's only 12:19. The day is not over. We still got to get to the gym. We still got to create content. We still got to post the content. We still got to do everything when it comes to the back end. You guys might see the front end, but you don't see all the people I talk to on a day-to-day basis, all the people in VIP that I'm helping get situated. Because at the end of the day, we're traders that are beginners, intermediate, and advanced. So every individual trader is unique, and they sometimes need help with certain specific things. So I got to take the time out of my day because that's what I'm here for. I'm a mentor for them. I'm here to help them, and I'm going to make sure that they get the value that they actually came for. If they have a question and they need it answered, even if I don't know the answer, I'm going to figure it out, and I'm going to make sure I'm the best at it. And that's just how I am. That's just my personality. Getting the cleaning. We got the fresh cut. It may be a little fucked up right now. I'm going to brush it and everything, but about to go to the gym after this. Ooh! It's very satisfying, to just sit in here and think about how I'm gonna conquer the fucking world. We got it nice and clean. The car is clean, the interior is clean. My brakes are about to be mad squeaky. See, not the better now. Thought they were gonna be worse. But right now we about to hop to the gym. Get this work in. I went to here first because I already knew every time I come here, I'm hot as shit, sweating my ass off cleaning this car. Today wasn't that bad. It's hot, but the sun isn't horrible, so it wasn't that bad. So now it's time to go to the gym. I'll see you guys there. Be in the gym, and I ain't gonna lie, it feels great in here. This AC in here is going stupid. From washing my car to then going home, walking here from my apartment to the gym, bro. Hot this shit feels amazing in here. I'm the only one here. We about to get this workout in. I didn't really feel like coming today, but I don't really feel like coming any day. I just come because I know it's gonna be beneficial to me. I know it's worth it nonetheless. Because there's a lot of days I'll wake up and I'm just like, damn, you look smaller. Especially now that I cut my hair. I feel like I look smaller now that I cut my hair. There's not as much stuff to distract your eyes. So now I gotta go even harder. So you know what that calls for? We're gonna have a extra hard workout today. We made a good amount of money. We're up like $300-400 so far. Can't complain, can't complain. We're only 21, and the fact that I did that without working a job, without trading my time, is amazing. Look where I'm at. I made my money, and now I'm just continuing to try to better myself every day. It's just about being patient. I may not wake up tomorrow and actually have the body I want. I may not wake up next week and have the body I want, but it's about being patient because it's gonna take time. All good things take time. There's a lot of times people ask me, how long have you been trading? How long did it take you to become profitable? I've been trading for 4 years, 4.5 years. You probably only been trading 4 months, 4 weeks, if that. You gotta take your time, bro. It's gonna take a long time. It takes a lot of experience. It doesn't happen overnight, just like all good things, like I keep saying. All good things take time. You gotta learn to be patient. And after I get a couple sets in, we're gonna talk about how you can build patience when it comes to trading. Because especially the last couple of weeks, anybody that's been trading, you know, patience has been needed. I'm mad as shit. My water is hot. It was in the car too long. It's hot as shit, but it's better than nothing, I guess. Water's water. It'll keep me alive. But how to build patience in trading? Because anybody, like I said, that's been trading of recent the last 2-3 weeks, the markets has not been thorough. Conditions has not been thorough. I've been making money, but I've been making a little bit of money. I risked $200-300 a trade, and the fact that I'm only coming out $600 days at best, $400-200 days, the conditions aren't the best. I'm losing trades, I'm winning trades. It's been a lot of up down. But the main thing is managing risk and being patient, because too many people are gonna blow their accounts, blow their funded accounts, lose all their money and have to go back to their job because they're chasing money, because they're not being patient. Not every day is a trading day. I didn't trade yesterday. You don't need to chase the trade every day. There's a lot of times where you're gonna wake up and there's not gonna be an opportunity. I didn't see an opportunity most of the day. When I did see it, I took trades. I lost one, I won one. It's all a probability game. But if you let your emotions get into it because you're too busy trying to chase trades, trying to catch another one because you lost the last one, trying to make the money back from the trade that you lost, you're not being patient. Let the trades come to you. Let the money come to you. That's how you're gonna be able to actually have a good edge, because you're not chasing the trades. If you're chasing trades, you can make money doing anything, because there's opportunities every time frame, every strategy, everywhere. It's about less quality setups. You don't need to have 30 confirmations to get into a trade, as long as you know how to manage risk. At the end of the day, there's a lot of things to it. If you want a more in-depth, like how I trade, because somebody was like, reveal your trading strategy. I'm like, bro, there's a free course. It's called The Blueprint, How I Trade. Check it out. Because at the end of the day, when I was posting 30-minute, 1-hour long trading videos, like on my YouTube channel, I wasn't getting no views. So if you wanna check that out, make sure you just check out the free course, because the free course has everything plus more. Just because it's free, don't sleep. It's free, but valuable as fuck. Your dreams, your success, bro, it's not gonna happen overnight. I tell you guys this like every week, like every day, bro, but at the end of the day, this is stuff that I also tell myself is not gonna happen overnight. 99% of the time, these videos, the advice that I give you, the things that you're saying that you're inspired by, the advice, is me talking to myself, bro. That's really all this is. You think there's actually somebody here right now? This is me talking to myself with a camera here. These are internal thoughts. And I'm displaying it for you guys, because at the end of the day, I'm on my journey. You guys are seeing results. From when I started vlogging every day, I got a partnership. From when I started vlogging every day, I made my first check on YouTube. From when I started vlogging every day, I got my first funded futures account. Consistency, and I'm recording all of it, bro. I'm not stopping now. Once you see the results, don't stop. Don't get comfortable. Keep going. Keep going. I might be doing 1 video a day now. Wait till I make 100,000. I may be doing 2 videos a day, 3 videos a day. Once I have enough money to get all my time back, 100,000% of my time back, that's when I'm really gonna be a different beast, because I'm just gonna be able to focus on giving value. Money's not gonna be a thing no more. I'm gonna have so much of it. The only thing I'm gonna be worried about is changing lives, giving value and changing lives, creating content, changing lives. But the content I make, regardless if I get paid for it, changing lives. I can make a video that get 1 million views, but it can get copyrighted, so I make nothing. Do you know how many people can get affected by that 1 million views? Do you know how many people can be inspired by what you say in that video? Do you know how many people could take what you said in that video and actually use it and see results in real life? Doesn't matter if you get paid for it, bro. Your value is more than anything. I was just someone Breezy. Breezy, if you're watching this video, this is for you. He's a VIP member. And he was basically just talking to me about how he's lost the last 2 days and he's had terrible trading days. But it's not even about the losses. He's just mad about the challenges that he's on being dragged out longer than he was expecting. He said, my goal was to pass the challenges this week, but we'll shoot for next week. And immediately when he said this and I read this in the gym, I knew the problem. The expectations. Every time you set expectations in trading and they're not hit, that's when you are letting the emotions come in. If you tell yourself, oh, I can't wait for this trade to hit $200. When this trade hits $200, I'm gonna withdraw. With that withdrawal, I'm gonna go, let's say, I'm gonna go take my girlfriend out to eat. So now you have all these expectations built up before the trade's even at TP1. So now in your head, if the trade's a L, you're not getting that withdrawal, you're not going out to dinner, and all these things that you mentally made yourself believe you already had, now you don't. And then what's that gonna do? Is gonna make that loss feel 10 times worse than what it really is. Then now you're gonna overtrade, you're gonna over leverage, all because you set high expectations. It's okay to have goals, but you gotta be optimistic. Every time I'm in a trade, people in the VIP, oh, we're about to hit TP. Oh, we're about to make this money. I always say it's not over till it's over. You gotta be patient. It's not over till it's over. I don't care if I'm 10 points away from my TP. Until I'm out that trade, I'm not gonna say, oh, we're about to win. Today's a winning day. It's not a winning day until the trade is done. It's not an L day until the trade is done. Be patient. Don't have high expectations. Set goals, and that's it. Expectations are the reason for a lot of emotions. Little tip for you guys. All right, we're back at the crib, and right now I'm about to show you guys the Top Step credentials. The only thing I hate about Top Step is they always take until after like 5 o'clock to be able to post everything, because if they didn't wait so late, I would have been showed you guys everything. But let me just show you guys. So far we have 11 winning trading days. So we have 11 winning days in total. We have about an 80% win rate with 15 days in total, and right now the balance is at 939, and this is, let me scroll up. This is the express funded account, and yeah, so far not too bad, not too bad. We got the account on April 24th. Right now it is May 16th, so we've had it for 15 days. And then if we come over to my Hanko trade, this is my new live account. Unfortunately, this trade was up like 200 something dollars. It was up like 220, but it was moving so much. It had so much volume that by the time I closed the trade, I was only at $91. That's crazy. That is very crazy, but it is what it is. I'll take it. We're gonna see what we can do tomorrow, because today's Thursday. We still have Fridays, and I don't think we have any crazy news, so more than likely we should get some good price action now. I ain't gonna lie, I've been talking about this. Price action hasn't been the best, but I've also been not risking as much. I've been telling the VIP, when the conditions aren't the best, when the likelihood of you winning a trade isn't very profitable, don't risk too much. I haven't been risking a lot. I've been risking a $100 trade, $90 a trade, $180 a trade. I think the most I risked all week was $250 a trade. And I lost it. I didn't even win on that trade, crazily enough. So it shows you, don't risk a lot. You have control of how much you lose. You don't have to risk more than you want to. You don't got to lose more than you want to. You don't got to take trades you don't got to take. Be patient. Have patience. Wait for the setups. Don't chase the money. Let it come to you. Don't chase the setups. Let it come to you. You don't need a trade every day. If you've been on a losing streak, take a day off. If you've been on a winning streak, take a day off. Because at the end of the day, when you're on a winning streak and a losing streak, you're going to get emotions regardless that are going to either going to make you too confident, that are going to make you overtrade, over leverage because you think you're on top of the world, versus when you're on a losing streak, you're going to have no confidence. You're not going to be confident to take trades. You're going to be scared to put risk on, all these different things. But at the end of the day, just follow the process. And lastly, if you want to join VIP and get the first month for half off, make sure you use that code right there, first 50%. Just use that at the checkout, and you'll be able to get 50% off the first month, so you can actually try it out. Right now, we're at about 148 members. And yeah, every single day we're trading, every single day we're getting active. I was just telling them these are my overall impressions and everything. Even if it's not trading, I talk to them about everything. Since I don't have any businesses or any communities to talk about content creation, business, or mindset, they get all of it. And I was just also telling them that we're going to be doing 2 to 4 calls every single weekend and 2 calls at nighttime. So these aren't going to be trading session calls. These are just going to be calls where I'm talking to them about mindset, business, trading, all the things that they need to know to make sure that they're a successful trader. Because at the end of the day, just knowing charts, just being good at being able to analyze the charts isn't going to make you a successful trader. It's more than that. You got to be a good overall human being. You got to have all these traits all around your whole life. You got to build yourself into the person that's going to be able to attract the success, that's going to be able to attain the success. So just make sure you join the team if you want to. If not, just make sure you check out the free course. The free course, it'll teach you everything you need to know. It just may take a little bit longer. But if you're cool with that, then information you need is right there. Just gotta take advantage of it. But with that being said, this is where we're gonna end the video off. Had a good day. At the end of the day, tomorrow I'm not gonna be risking a lot, just like every day this week. I'm gonna take it slow. We're gonna see what we can do because it's a Friday. I'm not gonna risk too much. I'm not gonna look for anything I don't need to be looking for. At the end of the day, I won all week. I'm cool. Even though I didn't risk a lot, I made a little bit, but I'll take it. I think I made like $900 something for the week, like 930 something. Not bad, not bad. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you're ready to actually start using the stuff you've been seeing me using the videos, start using the stuff you see on VIP, start using the stuff you see in your course, make sure you get the demo trade on Hanko Trader. You can actually start implementing all these different things and learn. And with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.